Freelancing involves working independently and offering your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with freelancing. 1. Choose your niche and services. Identify your skills and strengths. Determine what services you can offer as a freelancer. This could be writing, graphic design, web development, photography, consulting, social media management, and more. Consider your interests and expertise when selecting your niche. 2. Build your portfolio. Create samples of your work to showcase your skills. If you don't have previous client work, you can create personal projects to demonstrate your abilities. Develop a professional and visually appealing portfolio website or use freelancing platforms to showcase your work. 3. Set your rates. Research the industry standard rates for your niche and experience level. Consider factors such as the complexity of the project, the time required, and your skill level when determining your rates. 4. Create an online presence. Set up profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or specialized platforms related to your field. Optimize your profiles with clear descriptions of your services, portfolio samples, and client reviews, if available. 5. Market yourself. Use social media platforms to promote your services and engage with potential clients. Network within your industry through online forums, groups, and events. Create content, blogs, videos, social media posts, showcasing your expertise to attract clients. 6. Search for clients and projects. Browse freelancing platforms for projects that match your skills and interests. Send tailored proposals to potential clients, highlighting how your skills can solve their specific needs. Utilize job boards, online marketplaces, and local business networks to find clients. 7. Communication and professionalism. Respond promptly to client inquiries and messages. Clearly outline project details, timelines, and expectations in your communications. Maintain a professional tone and demeanor throughout interactions. 8. Deliver high-quality work. Once hired, complete projects to the best of your abilities and within the agreed-upon time frame. Seek feedback from clients and make necessary revisions to ensure client satisfaction. 9. Manage finances. Keep track of your income, expenses, and taxes. Consider using accounting software or hiring an accountant to manage your finances. 10. Build client relationships. Provide excellent customer service to build long-term relationships with clients. Ask for testimonials and reviews from satisfied clients to bolster your reputation. 11. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends and continuously improve your skills. Attend webinars, workshops, and courses to enhance your expertise. Remember, freelancing requires dedication, persistence, and a strong work ethic. Building a successful freelance career takes time, but with consistent effort and a focus on delivering value, you can achieve your goals.